Hazrat Abu Musa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu states, when we were in Yemen, we got the news of the Prophet's departure, immigration. So we all, I am, my two brothers, Abu Burda and Abu Rohum, emigrated to him. I was the youngest of my brothers. We were accompanied by 52 or 53 men of our people. We all embarked a boat and it took us to Negus in Ethiopia. There we met Hazrat Jafar bin Abi Talib and his companions. Hazrat Jafar radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam has sent us here and commanded us to stay here. So you should also stay with us here. We thereupon stayed with them until we all together came to Medina Munawwara. By that time Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam had conquered Khaybar. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam allotted even us a share out of booty. Or he said, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam granted us a share from the booty, whereas he sallallahu alayhi wasallam did not grant a share to anyone who had not participated in Khaybar expedition. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam gave a share from the booty only to him who participated in Khaybar expedition along with him. But he sallallahu alayhi wasallam on the contrary granted the people of our boat as well as Hazrat Jafar radiyallahu anhu and his companions a share. The reporter says, then some companions radiyallahu anhum would say to us, we have emigrated before you. Hazrat Asma, Umays' daughter, who had come along with us, visited Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife. She also emigrated along with emigrants to Negus. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu came to Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha while Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha was still there. Seeing Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu inquired, who is she? Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha replied, she is Asma, Umays' daughter. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, has she come from Ethiopia traveling by sea? Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha replied, yes. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, we preceded you in emigration, so we deserve Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam more than you. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha whereupon got furious and she said, O Umar, you have said something wrong. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you were with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam who would feed your hungry people, advise your ignorant people, whereas we were in such a house or on such a far off land whose inhabitant harbored malice against us. We were in Ethiopia and our emigration to it was only for the sake of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will neither eat nor drink anything until I mention to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam what you have said. In Ethiopia we were distressed and frightened. Soon I will mention it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam and ask him about it. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will neither tell a lie nor mutilate your statement nor add anything to it. The reporter says, when the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam came, she submitted, O Allah's Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, undoubtedly Hazrat Umar has passed such and such remarks. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, his right is not more than yours. He and his companions have the reward of only one emigration, whereas you, or the people of the boat, have the reward of two immigrations. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha says, I witnessed that Hazrat Abu Musa and the other people of the boat would come to me in flocks and ask me about this hadith. And nothing in the world was more pleasing to and valuable for them than this saying of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Abu Burda says that Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha said, I saw Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu would frequently make me repeat this hadith. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 6360.